In my recent swimwear video, many of you asked me about tankinis and swim dresses. So I did a deep dive into Amazon and found pieces you will love. They fit, they flatter, and they're all under $40. Let's dive right in. Okay, French ladies, let's start with the first one, and it is a tankini. This is an Aqua Eve bandeau design. You can use the top with the straps or as a bandeau top. So you can remove the straps to have a much better tan. It has rush design and offers some tummy control. The briefs are high-waisted, so offer you more comfort and more coverage. This tankini comes in a range of colors and prints, and go up to a size 26 plus. And the price is $36.99. This tankini has had many good reviews on Amazon and women seem to really love it. And if you click on the link in the description box below, you can go to the reviews and see actual photos of the buyers wearing their tankinis. So it's good to see real women wearing their tankinis. Thumbs up from me. And now for our next tankini that is creating a splash on Amazon. This two-piece tankini promises to smooth and shape your midsection. The top has a V neckline and adjustable cross straps at the back. And the bottom is simply a pair of boy shorts. And these shorts have a double layer. It is high-waisted, so it gives you comfort and coverage, has two side pockets to put your keys and lipstick if you like. Again, this tankini comes in a variety of colors and prints, and it goes up to a size 22 plus. And the price is $33.99. Again, many good comments and photos for you to look at so that you can check what the tankini actually looks like. I really like that one and the prints, and I think this one is a very good piece indeed. I know that many of you like tankinis because they are practical and they are versatile. You can wear the two pieces together or separately, not just when you are in the water, but on the beach, walking around, or even during the day. Why do you like tankinis? Let us know in the comments. Our next terrific tankini is actually my favorite. The top has a V-neck and twist front and crossback straps. It also has a tummy control. Now we love that. The shorts have two side pockets and a built-in brief. This tankini also comes in an array of colors and prints and goes up to a 20 plus. And the price, $36.99 only. It has really lovely prints, but this one is my favorite. I know the model is not precise, but if you click on the link below, you will see photos of the buyers who are in all shapes and sizes. This tankini is proving very popular indeed, so click on the link to have a look at the reviews and the photos. Grab it while you can. What do you think of this swimwear so far? Let us know in the comments. If you want to create a summer capsule wardrobe with me, click on the link below for my summer capsule masterclass. It is a 1-hour class where I create in front of you a summer capsule so you can recreate it in your own wardrobe with your own pieces. The link is in the description box below. Our first swim dress is guaranteed to turn you into a seaside siren. This one is much more of a short dress than a swim dress. So it has more versatility and practicality. We really love that, don't we, ladies? It has a crossover design at the front and cross back straps, so that will really hold your bust, and this will give you good support. The bra has molded cups without underwire, so they will give you support without being uncomfortable. And under this swim dress you have a pair of boy shorts, so they give you full coverage and comfort. This swim dress comes in a number of colors and prints and goes up to a size 5XL, and the price $31.59. Again, have a look at the reviews and the photos in order to help you make a decision. And now for our next swim dress that will transform you to a beachside belle. It has a V-neck design with non-removable pads at the bust and a rushed design for tummy control. That is really lovely indeed. The skirt has a side tie knot and a built-in bottom. So this swim dress offers you comfort, coverage, and tummy control. It comes in a variety of colors and prints and goes up to a size 5XL. Again, there are plenty of great reviews for this swim dress. And the price, $38 $39.99. For some poolside perfection, here is our next swim dress. I think this one is so cute. The top has wide adjustable straps and non-removable pads for comfort. The skirt part has a knot on each side, so you can leave it long or pull the knot on one side or the other or on both sides. And underneath you have a coordinated briefs. So you have full coverage but fun and femininity. Again, this swim dress comes in a variety of colors and fun prints and goes up to a size 6XL. And the price only $38.99. Have a look for the great reviews and photos in the link below. Swim dresses are loved by many women, whether you are young or older, average size or plus size. If you want more coverage, the swim dress is for you. If you are not very comfortable in showing your body at the beach or at the pool, a swim dress is more for you. And also, it is practical and versatile, just like the tankini we saw earlier. What makes you want to wear a swim dress? Let us know in the comments. Now, leaving behind tankinis and swim dresses, now we are on to one-piece swimsuits. And these will offer more coverage. As a holiday hero, a neck swimsuit can't be beaten. This swimsuit has a ruching on the bust area and at the side of the torso, and it offers good bust support and tummy control. It has adjustable straps and offers full coverage at the bottom area. We like that, ladies, don't we? I saw many one-piece swimsuits that were cut really high on the hip area, and I know that many of you want something that is more low cut and offers more coverage, especially around the bottom and thigh area. So this one-piece swimsuit will offer the coverage that you are looking for. This one piece comes in an array of colors and really lovely prints and goes up to a size 22+. You can read the great reviews and look at the real photographs by clicking on the link below. And the price is only $31.99. For some seaside sexy, have a look at this one-piece swimsuit. This is my favorite one. This is a crisscross design, so it looks more like a two-piece than a one-piece. This swimsuit features a back tie knot and cross straps at the back. It also has some rushed design at the waistline for some slimming tummy control. I think that is always nice to have in a swimsuit. The women who have bought this swimsuit seem to really love it. Give them a sense of fun. Again, this one piece is available in a number of colors and goes up to a 6XL. You can still wear a one piece that looks like a two piece, but with a lot of coverage and comfort. But let's not forget the fun as well. Let me know what you think in the comments. And the price, $36.99. And now for some flirty feminine fun. Here is our next one-piece swimsuit. I think it looks amazing with this crisscross front and cross straps at the back. Also some rush design at the waistline to give you some tummy control. I also love the color and prints combination. You have some prints at the top and color at the bottom area, or just two different colors. I really love that and gives you some versatility and fun, while still giving you some coverage at the bottom and thighs area. This swimsuit, I think, looks sexy and feminine, but with some comfort and support where it matters, at the bust area and at the tummy area. And this one goes up to a size 24+. And the price, $36.99. If you will cause a splash this summer in this sensational swimwear, you will love the summer dresses I've got in this video on screen now.